Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from this video, we will try to cover all sheet metal concepts from Catia software itself. So without wasting time, let's start it. So by doing small exercises, we will try to cover all the sheet metal workbench. So before that, in order to use sheet metal workbench, you need to click on the Start Mechanical Design, and here you can see the sheet metal workbench. Sheet metal generator sheet metal design, and there are two more workbenches are also there: sheet metal design and sheet metal production. So these three are having the same similar kind of tools. So most of our videos are I'm gonna using this generator sheet metal workbench only. And if you click on that, it is asking for a name for your sheet metal product. Click on OK. So now you are in the sheet metal workbench, sheet metal design workbench. Here you can see most of the tools are inaccessible right now. So this is because, see, the difference between part design and the sheet metal design is sheet metal has a uniform thickness, whereas the part model has not a uniform thickness. So this is a difference between sheet metal and part. Now if you want to use all these features, you need to specify the sheet metal properties. So that is what is known as the sheet metal parameters. So you need to give the parameters before starting your work. So click on the sheet metal parameters. Now it is asking about thickness and bend radius. So thickness is, so what is the thickness of your sheet? So you need to specify it, and what is the radius of bend radius of your sheet. So in the next step I will explain about this bend radius practically. So right now I'm taking thickness as 1 and bend radius as 2. Click on OK. That's it. You can see most of the tools, all tools are available to use right now. Now let's make one basic model. So this will we do this model now to understand the base features. So here you can see this is my front view, this is my side view, this is my top view. So let's understand from which view you want to develop your sheet metal part. So obviously it is easy to model from this top view or bottom view, right? So let's do that. Click on the, so that, see, these will be a open profile, right? So for making the open profiles, you can use the extrusion option, not planar or wall option. So wall option is limited for only closed profiles, where extrusion can be used for open profiles. So if you click on that, it is asking about sketch. You can draw a sketch from the option showing here. So or else you can predefine a sketch. In my case, I will always predefine a sketch first, and then I apply the 3D features. Click on the position sketch, front top plane, align the axis, click on OK. Now click on the profile tool and choose this as my point. So this is like a base sketch. See, this is what it is seems like. So I will mirror it on the upper side, on other side. So let's specify the dimensions for these things. Let's constrain it properly. So this is about 94 and divided by 2, and this is about 1t, and this dimension is not given in the drawing, so let's consider it as 45. That's it. And press and hold the control button and choose all these in 3 entities, and use the mirror option and choose the mirror line. That's it. Exit. You don't need to specify fillets here, so that will consider as a bend radius when you apply the sheet metal. That's it. Now if you click on the extrude option, see, so our straight lines are being like a bended here. So this is what will happen in the sheet metal. So now the length is 75, not 100, 75. That's it. Click on OK. So these are bottom or top view that is completed. And talking about these flanges, You can for adding that walls, you have two options. Click on flange option is one, and wall on edge option is one. Let's create a wall by using this wall on edge option. Activate the tool and click on the side where you want to add that wall. I want a length of 20 and an angle of 120. Click on fill. See, but here you can see what will happen. This bend is included inside the length of this base plate, and I want this radius to be outside of this length. So what can I do? I can specify the clearance mode as 2. So bend radius is 2, that's why I've specified it as a 2. So click on 1.5, click on preview, or else 1 preview. See, it is 1 means it is okay. In this way you can use the wall on edge option. So but in my case I am using the flange option. Click on the flange and choose the side where you want to add the flat. So it is going opposite direction. Click on the reverse direction and choose the length as 20, angle as 120. Click on OK. That's it. At the same flange on the other side also you can use the mirror. So or else you can directly use the flange option. Choose the edge and reverse direction. Click on OK. That's it. This way you can use a flange option. Now talking about these cutouts. So for that, click on the position sketch, select this plane where you want to sketch, click on OK. Let's make a slot here. Right, delete this dimension or keep it here. What about radius of the arc, which is 5? That is fine. That is okay. I'm talking about this length. What is that? I don't know. Let's see. So which is 12 only, and here to here 51. Double click 12, enter, and from this point to this baseline, which is 51. And that's it. Exit and use the cutout option to remove the material. Click on preview, click on OK. You don't need to choose the up to next or limit, so it will take defaultly. So that's it. Now I have only one hole. I want it to be a rotate about a point, so I'm using the circular pattern option. And after activating the circular pattern, select the feature that what you want it to be pattern. So I've chosen cutout as my feature, and reference I'm choosing the I'm choosing X as my rotational axis. See, it won't work like this. So what I am doing here, I will click on the sketch here. I'm patterning and in the sketch level only. Press and hold the control button, select all the entities and use the rotate option. So even though this also we need a center point, so what can I do? Can specify one point like this, and from here to here, so 75 divided by 2. That's it. The center and the point will be center now. Click on this entity. So I want to press and hold the control button and choose all these three entities. Use the rotate option, specify center point as this, and use the only 2 instances you need, and 360 divided by 3. That's it. So these are not constrained, but they are in the accurate position. You can use them like that. So something gonna happen. Let's close this, and if you delete the 3D feature, the sketch will also be lost. So for that, what I'm doing is I'm just copying the sketch and deleting the 3D feature. And now I'm pasting the same sketch on the same body. See, the sketch is remained same. So now I can use the cutout option for this sketch. Click on preview. So here is the one corner point is there, right? So I want to delete it. So exit and use the cutout option. Click on preview. Click on OK. That's it. In this way, the cutout option will be useful. And the next thing is I want to make these holes. For that, you don't have to draw a sketch and then you can use this option. So you can directly go for this hole option, activate the tool and select the surface where you want to make that hole. And here you can see the positioning option. Click on that and let's specify the dimensions for this. From this to this, which is about 29, and from this point to this, which is about 20. Enter. That's it. Exit. Specify radius as 15. Not radius, it is a diameter. Click on OK. If you want it on the other side, means you can again use the whole option. In my case, I'm using the mirror option, and mirror plane is about this one, and mirroring element, that means mirror feature will be this hole only. Click on OK. That's it for this video. So you have learned about the extrusion move, flange, wall on edge, circular pattern, mirror tool, and hole and cutout options in this video. So if you want to get updated for those videos, and if you like our content, so please do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to save this model obviously. So that's it guys, thanks for watching.